डेट ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಾ
ये हेल्थ सेंटर कहाँ है मालूम क्या? बाजार में है, वीकली मार्केट भारत चंद में
वन बरोदा था वन बरोदा
Where is the health center here?
वेर इज द हेल्थ सेंटर लोकेटेड?
Manimbadi
Yes.
staying, sir.
Your
We
channel.
are coming from Alangayam Community Health Center, sir. Alangayam block, we are covering fully. I am coming from RBSK, School Health Doctor.
Okay. So please tell me about this camp in your school, sir.
after getting the consent letter from the parents covaxin vaccination is done in our school from today.
From today.
Yeah, from 15 to 18 years, from 10th, 11th and 12th standard students.
Thank you. Tell me,
Is something.
please tell me, doctor, the details about this vaccination camp.
So from Monday we have started for 15 to 18 years children. Covaxin is given. First dose we have started, sir. After 28 days, second dose will be administered. For first dose we are going to every schools. Each medical team is going to every school and they are administering vaccine doses. If any complaints are there of any fever or cold, we do check up for the children and then we consult them, then only we put vaccines.
Second dose will be after 28 days.
Second dose mostly will be after 28 days, sir. Now we are starting on the first doses. Putting entry now itself, sir.
Okay.
They have given their mobile numbers. All the messages and certificates can be downloaded using the mobile numbers itself. And an entry will be within the school itself. They will be noted, sir. All the students who have put vaccine will be noted in the schools itself, sir. And entry will be put by ourselves. Then we can download.
Okay.
Primary health center we are from vaccination.
You are from Manimbadi.
Yeah,
Your name, please.
my name is Nandini.
Okay. So how is the camp going on in Manimbadi?
It's going good only. Last Monday also we are conducting camp also. All students are good only. Nobody's reactions are anything. All are good.
Very good. No side effects are
No
there.
side effects.
You have got some paracetamol.
Fever,
Yeah, we are giving paracetamol also. 2 times they are giving morning and evening.
So it's necessary to give these tablets to them?
Yes, somebody is having body pain or headache or anything, body pain or fever. We are giving before that. Before getting that, sometimes we are giving that they are getting sick.
Okay, thank you very much.
study fever